Hi, welcome to Cooking for My Daughters. So today we're making porcupine meatballs. It's one of my mom's old recipes. So I cut 3 onions, added 3 eggs. We're going to mix that up. And then added salt and pepper. We're going to add 1 cup of rice and half of a bulk pack, so maybe 2.5 pounds of hamburger meat. Make meatballs, put it in the oven. Meatballs in the oven. Add the 3 cans of tomato soup with 2-3 cans of water, and slow cook it for about 4 hours. And then you would make mashed potatoes with it on the side. So this is all mixed. So I'm going to mix it all in, put the half pound of hamburger in there, and come back when I have all the meatballs made. Alright, we're back. So now I made the meatballs. They're in here. We're going to add the tomato soup. 1 can. 2 cans. And the Campbell stick can. We're going to add 2 cans of water. That's good. So now you may have to add more water to it. So you should go back in 2 hours and see what you want to get it down so it boils down to a sauce. Right now it looks like a lot of water, but it'll go away. So that's it for now. I'll show you and take a picture when it comes out of the oven.